You've just
that looks
drawn
nothing
over
like
it. That looks nothing like a fucking squid cunt.
Nothing like a penis.
Nothing like a squid cunt.
He just sees penises everywhere.
No, maybe he sees squid everywhere and thinks it's a penis because all he watches is fucking weeb shit.
Hell yeah.
So I finally made it to the shop to get the exhaust done. You've seen how the last episode went. So hopefully we don't lean out anymore. We probably will. Yeah, we think it was just leaning out because it was tuned for super cold temperatures, and now that it's super hot, just all the enrichments are all over the place. So we've done a bit of tuning since then, and we've got it to run a bit properly. So hopefully it runs today.
To give you a bit of an update on the Civic, we've got it down to the workshop, not by its own power. That was on a tow truck. So I've made the system up. We haven't actually stolen a shop where I've broken in or anything like that. I work at Rob Bliss. So we've made him a stainless system, 3-inch system with a resonator and a muffler. Pretty much we'll do that, I'll weld this up. I'm going to take it for an alignment tomorrow and then road tuning. Happy days after that.
Hold on. Oil's going.
Worth it.
I can't keep a straight face with these elbows on me elbows. Budget Iron Man. I was trying to bait through. Wait, can I give I can't, like, I don't know if I can.
Someone tack weld that quickly.
No, fuck off. Tack weld this. Tack weld it. My drink. I still got my arms out.
I would.
Such fun. It's better good, yeah. No, actually, how he walks out of the cave in like Iron Man 1, like in that really janky ass suit.
I'm really scared I'm gonna hit him in the face. There we go.
Toby left, and somehow I got the camera, so.
Buy some wine, ZC swaps for Sylvia.
Dig old Bick.
First tick I've ever done. His face is like, I'm fucking done. I own a gay ass car with a dick on it now. The fabricator thinks I'm gay.
You know what? You know what's gonna be great? Because if like the page really takes off that well, people are gonna see your car, and to identify it, they're gonna look for the penis.
Wait, is that the car? Oh my god, it is the car!
This dick is gonna get you E-fame. Simple.
The hashtag Zach Dumpers like signature thing.
Zumpers, yeah. I should put a Z for that, like the ball hair or something.
Like a Zorro Z right behind it.
Double stack.
Well done.
That rag, I want to polish the dick more. Ah, that's a good one.
What are they doing?
Who are we jumping off? Hey? Who are we jumping off?
Just pull off one of the terminals off his battery and connect it directly to the terminal. Because his battery's draining too much power. No one's listening? Cool.
I'm listening.
Alright, got it.
That sounds so good.
Hey, guess what? TPS wasn't fucking calibrated.
Yeah, she's good.
Yeah, let's quiet down low. I'm pretty rowdy up top, which is pretty much exactly what I wanted to do with it. So.
More issues. Left-hand drive shaft's too long, so it's binding up.
Shaft's too long.
So yeah, I can swap the inners over, like side to side. Hopefully that'll shorten them up. see how we go. Another day, another struggle.
Please like and subscribe and hit that bell button, and it'll really help us out a lot, guys. And hit the bell and tweet me at Zach. Say something to someone.
Oh, you could drive this through.
I well dig some things.